Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a black gripped running board with blind spot detection, and moving to the front here, we do have tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior with plenty of door space, bronze accents on the door, carpet interior, you even get floor mats, cup holders, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, parking brake lights, and auto stop auto start all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9.8 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status information, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You got the bronze accents along the center here, cup holders, more storage. You even get storage underneath, more storage here, USB, USB-C, vinyl lamp center console with even more storage. Drive modes with rear locking diff and four-wheel drive. Nice little coin slot. We do have your climate controls, 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs. You even get storage above with the F-150 logo, storage below, storage right here, your hill. And looking here at our audio, we do get our AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You got your phone connectivities, your fave apps such as messaging, email, sound, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you download, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your basic settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA47644, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.